My name is Zai Go. I'm the director, product line director for ERDAS IMAGINE. What we are showing here is what Imagine can do for the mining industry. I think the most important feature that we have for the mining industry is LiDAR processing. Many customers come here and ask me what ERDAS IMAGINE can do for the mining industry. I say it's a visualization, it's a measurement, it's a volumetric computation and change detection. So those are the things that we can do for mining operation. It can be used before the mining for planning and during mining process for change detection, and also after mining process for your recovery of the your mining area, because with all mining you're going to dig up a huge area, make a big scar of the earth, and you have to figure out what you're going to do with it. So what we do is to incorporate your LiDAR data, which can be captured in real time at a quite reasonable cost. And then we take the data and then we visualize it in the 2D and a 3D environment. What we're showing here is these are the LiDAR data, the RGB encoded LiDAR data, and these are the profile viewing, and you can do measurement as to what's happening. And these are 3D drive-through. You can see exactly what's happening, and also we generate contours. I think that's just the visualization aspect. Other side is the measurement of the depth of the the pit that you have generated, and the size of the area, and the volumetric computation of the earth refill that you have to do after the mining process is finished. And then what we have in ERDAS IMAGINE is our modeling capability to detect changes, and these changes could be how big area you have excavated, and how much you need to backfill, and any other environment impact that you may have caused. So we can use the ERDAS IMAGINE's modeling capability to produce the data, process data, and produce the change mapping, and for reporting, for any follow-up with the state agencies, etc. So this is just a small area of application of ERDAS IMAGINE can do. But ERDAS IMAGINE is a full-featured image processing software. We deal with the LiDAR data, area photography, satellite data, etc. And we can do a lot of things for the mining industry. Please visit us at www.hexagongeospatial.com.